Parang ligaw na kaluluwa yung team. They're throughout the first round eh. Wala silang focal point on offense. Pero babalikan natin yung next week. Dito muna tayo.
Yeah. Abangan niyo po yan. Siyempre sa GPV Heart of Asia. NCAA Women's Volleyball next week, April 22. Former scoring coach Hammer. Lahat ng 3 quarters won by Perpetual. No surprise. And it's just the game plan, the mentality of these players, and the way that they're playing on the same page.
So,
bearing fruits.
Exactly. Binabalik nila sa one-on-one eh. Ginagawa nilang one-on-one. One-on-one. Sige, one-on-one yung kami kasi kampante kami na dumipensa. And siguraduhin nyo na pag nag-bad shot kayo or turnover, ta-transition kayo kasi yan ang ginagawa namin everyday. Rarat-rat kami off a stop.
83-55 now. Salt to the wound for Perpetual. Martinez is not giving up. He has 18 points so far. This is Velasquez, not wearing the mask he was wearing earlier. Dive for 3. No. Gomez comes up with it. Forward pass to Quines. Nabantayan ng dalawa. He's on. Lumusot sa dalawa. Nakagaw ni Rosales. And here comes Kurt Velasquez. The Junior Altos are just pressing the right buttons here. Relentless defensively and executing well on offense.
Na nga si Roline.
Velasquez from 17. No.
Hanip yung dive po. 26 yung lamang. Nagsiset ng magagandang screens. Kumakrash ng rebounds. Tapos kumukuha ng extra possessions. Yan yung mga nakikita ng coaches.
Didn't even need to do much in this game. Itong si LeBron James dive. 8 points, 10 boards, 2 assists, and 2 blocks with 2 steals. Not his usual numbers, but enough for them to dominate LSGH. Odador is doubled. Ortega, 3 to shoot. Runs into a crowd of white jerseys. Meantime, let's go back courtside. Here's the fourth quarter report of Flo Del Agua. Flo.
Martin and Coach Hammer, since you're talking about that reigning MVP LeBron James, Daep cannot be stopped in the final minutes of this match. In their huddle earlier, the Perpetual coaches emphasized that LeBron is their #1 trigger man to get those possessions. Bukod pa dito, his aggressiveness here in Game 3 was demanded by no other than the former MVP Amiel Acido, present in the court right now. Daep shared with me that it was an incredible moral booster for him, as in their hands right now could be the most important game that will decide the trajectory of the rest of their lives. Back to you, gentlemen.
Maraming salamat, Flo. Kung nandito pa yung Amiel Acido, grabe na. That was last year's MVP.
Hindi na, panahon na ng Daep eh. You had your chance.
Well, yeah.
You had your chance. Ngayon yung Daep, he is ripe for delivery. And it's a vote of confidence, ha?
Yeah.
Na alam kasi ni Amiel na, hey, you can do better. You gotta be a little bit more assertive.
Ito.
Oh, yan, oh.
Goho Cruz, Acido, both doing very well in the collegiate ranks, by the way. Goho Cruz, of course, was a one and done for the juniors, for the Junior Altos last season. Part of the Mythical 5. And an impressive first season with the Altos.
Kaya waiting on the wings yung Rolina.
Okay.
Siya yung behind eh. Siya yung nandun sa spot.
GC. Roluna again last season. Kung napanood nyo, alam nyo na utility player, pinasok ng finals, umangat yung kumpiyansa, nabigyan ng playing time.
Ganyan naman sa high school eh. Pagka high school, you just need to bid your time, do your job, and then when the opportunity presents itself, you have to be ready.
Look at the numbers here, Coach Hammer. I see out-assisting the entire Greenies team.
And they're the #1 team when it comes to assists this season. Dahil it's a function of their offense. They like to run. So extra passes, extra forward passes. Doon ang gagaling yung mga assists nila.
Rosales got deep. Look at these players from Perpetual. Meron pa, bubunutin si Coach Joff mamaya. Will also provide the same play and same energy.
Sino?
Enedura pa.
Yun ang next in line nila next year. Kasi parang ilan nag-graduate dito? 10 yata, 11.
Siya ang gagraduate dito sa
Siyam.
Betwal. For Benilde, 3 lang yung matitira.
Kaya sabihin na natin yung totoo. Sa high school, patandaan talaga ng player, pahinugan. Kaya the more that you get the young players exposed in higher level of competition, yeah, you would take your hits to start off. But when it's their time, tulad itong Perpetual, nahinog din talaga to eh. Kasi 3 taon na naglalaro sa juniors tong si Daip. Si Pagulayan, 3 taon na rin. Since we reinstated the juniors tournament, andyan na yung dalawang yan. Masasandigan mo na.
Si assistant coach Gerald Dizon pa ang nagmamando nun. But they showed promise even in that season, even with the young guys. Dito sa LSGH, it's Dizon, Analasan, one of the bigs off the bench net on LSGH, and Yutuk. Yan na lang yung matitira kay Coach Red. Let me correct myself. Kalanasan. John Owen Kalanasan.
6'10"?
Yeah. So isa yun sa mga matitira, but the rest are also graduating. Ram Sharma holds it down, 85-59.
Hirap. Parang pag nakakuha, gusto i-downhill. Mahirap gawin yan. So, ngayon, kailangan milk the clock. Time score management, 26.8. Gawin mo na 28.
That's too easy for JD Pagulayan.
Ngayon ko lang siya nakita ngumiti.
87-59.
Sa 3 taong kino-cover natin siya. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita ngumiti. Ano to eh, competitor to. Tsaka nung tumangkat eh. Tumangkat pa. Nung nagsisimula to, medyo chubby-chubby na maliit. Na 2 guard niya, small forward, lumaki pa. At saka may tira talaga siya sa labas.
Actually, pagbalik niya last season,
tumangkat, no? Tumangkat tsaka nagkalaman. Well, pagka isang taong ka naman sa nasa programa na ganyan, dapat talaga makondisyon ka.
Even John Roluna, kapansin-pansin, got, beefed up, got some muscles in the off-season.
Lalong-lalo na pagka naglalaro ka ng 1 round lang. 1 round lang kasi ang NCAA Juniors.
Yeah.
You need to be in tip-top shape right away. Mahustle pa. Itong si Lebron Daip.
Playing it until the very end.
Yeah.
The MVP LeBron Daip with 10 points now and 12 boards.
Double-double.
Kines letting it fly. Hasn't been falling here in the 4th. 6 out of 12 from the field is Gillian Kines. Mind you, he took 26 shots in game number 2. That just tells you how well Perpetual is playing him defensively.
Today, ilan lang siya?
12.
So, you're looking at 14 less shots with 3 more guys being sent to him every time he gathers. Kasi 2-foot gather umatake si Gillian Kines eh. Lagi siyang ganun. Or he would read the defense. Catch and look muna to eh.
Oh! Gian Gomez is still at it. 17 points for Gian Gomez. Yung tandem lang nila ni Gillian Kines. Nakukuha na ng puntos ni Coach Ren. 18 for Kines, 17 for Gomez. On the other side, check this one out for the Junior Altas. 5 players in double figures. 2 players with 9 points. Just a team effort for the Junior Altas today. DJ Tabuan. JD left it short. And that's going to be a foul. James Eason got the board. 91-62.
Saka Perpetual stuck with their game plan.
Yeah.
They saw it through. Pinaka-important was in the first quarter, that 5 3-pointers made by the defensive stoppers gave them the boost. Kasi if you remove the 15, manageable eh. Manageable, kayang bumuelo. Pero nung naputas, the floodgates open. They never looked back after that.
Precisely.
Ito na yung Nitura.
Ayan na. The youngest of the Nitura siblings. Number 24, si Lance Nitura, following the footsteps of Kuya Cyrus Nitura, who will be playing for the Mapua Cardinals next season. Also tearing it up in the offseason, by the way.
Tsaka yung paborito nating balik NCAA, Cyril Gonzalez.
Cyril Gonzalez. Welcome back to NCAA.
5 years to play daw ulit yun.
Uy, matindi yun. Naalala mo pa yun?
Oh.
94. Oh, YouTube. Diba, season 94 huli niya before he transferred.
Pagbalik, one and done na.
Of course, that's still a formidable Mapua team despite not having Mamupan and Mobilia.
No.
Wala na
Eh,
Mobilia.
gano'n naman yan. Pagka may nawawala, may dumarating.
Nitura! Wow! Umambag ka! Si Lance Nitura!
Pampakumpiyansa next year.
Gian Gomez. Brandon YouTube off the bank for YouTube. That's his first triple of the game. Might be a little too late for YouTube. They are down here by 29.
10 assists.
I see enters double territory.
Etong Borja na to, pwede to. Pwede to.
Yeah.
Athlete, mahaba. Tapos, may habits, bumablock out. Alam mo nakikinig sa coach eh. Kasi yung mga ganyan, tapos malaki na to lamang tatalbo. Ang reminder sa kanila, blackout. Pag pinasok ka, kailangan gawin mo eh. So, nakikita mo na, ito yung ine-ensayo nila. Ito yung ine-ensayo nila. Ay, naiintindihan ng bata.
Ang graduating coach sa Perpetual, Taep, Bruluna, Calyangan, Tabuan, Valdoria, Borja, Cristino, De La Cruz, who is currently used, and Magulaya, their team captain. 12 of the 13 players used by Perpetual, well, they've scored in this game so far. Kahit sinong bunutin ni Coach Joff, nagko-contribute. At ito na, he's gonna give a chance to his third stringers here, Coach. 2:42 left. And 8 of the 12 with at least 5 points. Wow. They have 96 points on the board. This is above what they average in the season, which is right around 88 to 89 points. And they're doing it here in game number 3, the most important game of the season.
Yun naman yun eh. Tsaka kita mo, fresh legs sila.
Yeah.
Yun lang naman yun eh. It's not a marathon sa juniors eh. It's a sprint and you want to knock out all your opponents right away. Para pagdating ng Final Four, yun na yung tanong eh, diba? Anong gagawin nyo? Anyway, we've seen it. Letran did it the past 2 years that they took everyone and they took them to the woodshed. And that's what Perpetual has been doing this season. Hindi pwede rito yung parelax. Hindi pwedeng malambot ka rito to start the juniors. Pagka medyo parelax ka, tsaka medyo maarte ka, pag seminar niya lang sa Sparkle, yun, pwede ka doon. Pero pagka ganito, Brad, parang pwede ka naman sa afternoon na soaps natin, pero pagka ganyan, Brad, pag simula pa lang, at-ingatan ka eh. Day 1 pa lang natin eh.
And that's why, they are a respected basketball program in the country. The final 2 minutes.
And this is a perpetual program from the juniors to the seniors. They've been building something special the past few years. The past few years, nakita natin yan with Coach Mike Sigigit and then the transition to Coach Olsen. Now they became a destination spot with the help of Scotty Thompson.
That's right.
Nagkakapag-recruit na sila. And then Coach Joff handling the juniors coinciding with Coach Olsen na iisa na yung programa. So ang question na ngayon is holding on to the players.
There's now continuity in the program. At meron na rin yun, yung streamline, yung programa, pwede magpatuloy sa kolehiyo. As we see this basket, everything going in now for Perpetual. That's Yupar putting it up and in. 65 seconds away for Perpetual. A championship for the Junior Altas. On your screens is Coach Jock Leopas in only his second season as head coach. Went to the finals in his first year, lost, learned a lot. Second year, they are poised to claim the championship and make history for their school. Nothing to be ashamed of if you're Coach Ren and the Greenies. They fought hard. They forced game 3. They just came up short here in game 3. All right, 98-65, under a minute left. We're just waiting for the final score. You see the emotions on the bench of Perpetual mula sa mga manlalaro, pati sa mga coaches natin. That tells you what this means to them, how hard they worked, joining numerous leagues, countless of hours in practice, while juggling that with high school education.
Ganon talaga.
Yeah.
Pinili mo yan. And ito yung reward. Ito yung reward of all the hard work. And it's just the beginning. It's just the beginning for this young men. They would be putting this as a feather on their high school careers. But for those who have the opportunity to pursue further in their basketball careers, this would be a highlight. But for those who won't be progressing, this would be a very good memory to have. Being part of a champion squad.
This is a moment they will cherish and remember for the rest of their lives. And Perpetual hits the century mark. 101 points in game number 3. 9-second difference between the clocks. And we'll just wait it out. Zanoria bringing this one across. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And the Junior Altas make history. They claim their first ever juniors basketball crown in the NCAA.
Hard-earned championship, deserving champion. They went back to their DNA of being a disciplined team in the third game. And you gotta tip your hat to the LSJH Greenies. They fought the good fight. But in the end, one team must win. And the ones who stuck with it took care of business and will be taking home some hardware and a lot of memories.
Redemption season is complete for Coach Jock Leopas and the rest of his guys. Look at them. Overwhelmed with emotion right now. And this is the moment they've all been waiting for in season 100. They are champions of NCAA season 100 juniors basketball. What a season for the Junior Altas, and it's in front of SRO crowd ng Perpetual mula sa Las Piñas. Let's listen to their school hymn. ...101-67, that is the final score. All right, let's go to a quick break. When we return, we'll talk to our winning head coach, championship winning head coach sa ating pagbabalik dito sa NCAA Season 100.